Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to complete our page number 17 and reading activity. As we know that our Unit 2 is about the red rubber ball, let us complete our page number 17 before you read. And before you read, we are going to learn today about main idea. The main idea of the reading tells us what the reading is about. The main idea is usually in the first sentence of a paragraph. So, you can say that the main idea is about the story theme. It is the theme of a story, and it is usually present in the very first sentence of a paragraph. As we can see that we have an example of 3 different paragraphs, I'm going to read out these paragraphs for you, and I have underlined the main idea in these paragraphs for you as well. Jumping rope is fun. One person can jump alone with a short rope. If you have a long rope, 2 people can swing the rope, and 1 person can jump inside. If the rope is even longer, more people can jump together. As you can see that this whole paragraph is about jumping. So, the main idea of this paragraph is present in the very first line of this paragraph. That is, jumping rope is fun. Underline this line. 2. Swimming is very good for you. That's why Nicole likes to do it. She swims with her team every Saturday. She likes to race the other people. Swimming will keep her strong. It's fun too. As you can see that this whole paragraph is about swimming, so the main idea of this paragraph is present in the very first line. That is, swimming is very good for you. Underline it. Then the third paragraph. Wendy likes her tennis lessons. They are very close to her house, so she can walk there from home. Wendy's teacher, Mrs. Hamilton, is very kind and helpful. Wendy loves to practice with her classmates. As you can see that this whole paragraph is about Wendy liking her tennis lessons, so the main idea of this whole paragraph is present in the very first line. That is, Wendy likes her tennis lessons. Underline it. I hope you are done with this activity. Now we are going to start the reading. The audio for the reading is already attached in your online portal. I'm now going to tell you about the main characters which you are going to read about in this whole story, that is the red rubber ball. Our main characters are Collis, Ashanti, Hayo, and Fernandez family. What you have to do is you have to read Unit 2, page 18 and 19 as your homework. That's all for today.